Welcome to midnight at the Berlin household. We got Hazel. Hazel, say hello. Look, sweet girl. We got Ruben over here eating a bone. And then we got the two puppies. Let's see what they're doing. Oh, what's going on there, little ones? Oh, Julian, what's going on? What's going on? And then we got little guy. Gabe, what you doing? Gabriel, what's going to happen? He's so active. Well, I know he should be playing with you. Come here, Julian. This is so much fun. Sweeties. And as you see, Ruben is still eating his bone, and Hazel's just observing. I think Ruben might be about to play referee. They getting too rough, Ruben? Okay, it's okay. Ruben, it's okay. It's alright. It's okay. No more. Ruben, what's going on? What's going on there? You just have his head in your mouth, Ruben? Oof. Don't take that from him. He's such a good playmate. Oop. What's happening there, Julian? Oop. Oop. Nice avoidance of collision there, Ruben. What you doing? Hazel, you gonna get into the action here? What's happening? Oh, that's nice. Whoop. And then I have little Gabe in my feet. What's going on there, guys? Heavens. What's going on there? Julian's playing. It's okay. Shh. Come on. Okay. Let's have fun, but listen. Just do it.